For nearly 5 decades, Voyager 1 has journeyed alone through the vast, silent expanse beyond our solar system. This aging spacecraft, no larger than a family car, has traveled farther than any other human-made object in history, venturing deeper into the unknown than even its creators dared to imagine. It has often been described as a ghost ship of the cosmos, silent, resilient, and endlessly drifting, carrying with it not only scientific data but also the hopes, questions, and memories of a distant Earth. When it launched in 1977, few believed it would endure long enough to reach interstellar space. Yet against every expectation, Voyager 1 has become humanity's farthest ambassador. And now, new revelations surrounding this spacecraft have reignited both wonder and debate, leaving scientists and enthusiasts captivated by what it has uncovered. Voyager 1's mission began with remarkably humble goals. It was originally designed for a 4-year mission to explore the outer planets, capturing images and collecting measurements before eventually running out of power and fading into darkness. NASA scientists saw it as a temporary probe, one more step in humanity's early efforts to reach out into the cosmos. But the spacecraft's journey quickly became much more than that. Along the way, it revealed breathtaking images of Jupiter and Saturn, from the violent swirls of Jupiter's great red spot to the delicate, icy beauty of Saturn's rings, details humanity had never seen up close before. These encounters transformed our understanding of the gas giants, their atmospheres, and their many moons, some of which hinted at hidden oceans and conditions that could potentially harbor life. One of Voyager 1's most enduring contributions came years later, when it turned its cameras back toward home at the request of astronomer Carl Sagan. The result was the iconic pale blue dot image. Earth suspended like a mote of dust in a sunbeam, almost invisible against the backdrop of space. That image reshaped how humanity saw itself. It reminded us of our fragility, our smallness, and the preciousness of our planet. Sagan described Earth as a lonely speck in the great enveloping cosmic dark, and for many, that photograph became more than just a scientific image. It became a profound lesson in perspective. But Voyager 1 did not stop at Saturn. It pressed onward, continuing long after its primary mission had ended. In 2012, the spacecraft made history again by crossing into interstellar space, becoming the first probe to do so. At that moment, it ceased to be just a planetary explorer and became something far greater, an interstellar messenger. It carries aboard the Golden Record, a carefully curated time capsule of sounds, music, greetings, and images from Earth, designed as a message to any extraterrestrial intelligence that might one day encounter it. The very idea that a machine built in the 1970s, using technology more primitive than what we carry in our pockets today, could carry the story of Earth across the galaxy is nothing short of extraordinary. Now, decades later, Voyager has transmitted data that has stirred fresh intrigue. Recent reports, discussed by scientists and communicators like Bill Nye, suggest that Voyager 1 has picked up signals pointing to the presence of more than 300 massive objects in deep space. These are not random bursts of static or accidental interference. The consistency of the data suggests something more profound. What exactly these objects are remains a mystery, but the sheer number has captured global attention. Some researchers speculate that these detections could be rogue planets, worlds that have been flung out of their original solar systems, left to wander between the stars. Rogue planets have long been theorized, but detecting them is extremely difficult, as they do not emit their own light and rarely reflect enough starlight to be seen by telescopes. If Voyager has somehow detected evidence of hundreds of such bodies, it could be a groundbreaking moment in astronomy. Others believe the signals could point to dense, clustered regions of interstellar matter, or remnants of ancient star systems that long ago collapsed or exploded. What makes this all the more astonishing is Voyager's limitations. Its instruments are not advanced by modern standards, its computing power is far less than that of even a basic smartphone, and it was not built to detect exotic cosmic objects. And yet, this spacecraft, operating on technology from the late 1970s, continues to reveal secrets from the edge of interstellar space. The fact that such a relic can still detect anomalies that elude some of our most powerful ground-based observatories is remarkable. It raises a tantalizing possibility. Could Voyager have stumbled across phenomena that conventional astronomy has missed? Theories abound. Some scientists wonder whether these objects might be tied to dark matter, the invisible substance thought to account for the majority of the universe's mass. For decades, dark matter has evaded direct detection, yet its gravitational influence is seen everywhere, from the rotation of galaxies to the large-scale structure of the cosmos. If Voyager's signals connect in any way to this elusive material, the implications would be monumental. Others propose that the probe might be detecting large-scale plasma waves or energy structures moving through interstellar space. Voyager has already provided vital data on interstellar plasma, mapping out its density and movements. Perhaps these newly detected anomalies are extensions of that phenomenon, larger and stranger than we ever realized. And then there is the more speculative possibility, the one that captures the imagination more than any other. Could these signals have anything to do with extraterrestrial intelligence? While most scientists urge caution, unwilling to jump to extraordinary conclusions without extraordinary evidence, the very thought lingers in the background. The golden record was created because humanity dared to imagine contact with other civilizations. If Voyager can detect signals, intentional or otherwise, could the universe one day respond in kind? Bill Nye and others stress the need for scientific rigor, but even they acknowledge that the mysteries Voyager has uncovered demand our attention and imagination. This discovery raises an avalanche of questions. What exactly are these 300 massive objects? Where are they located, and how far away? Are they clustered together in some region of interstellar space we have barely studied, or are they scattered widely across the void? Some astronomers suggest they could be remnants of ancient stellar systems, fragments of long-dead stars, compact and wandering. Others wonder whether they represent entirely new classes of cosmic bodies we have yet to define. The sheer scale of interstellar space guarantees that countless mysteries remain hidden, and Voyager the 1st of May have only grazed the surface. Just as fascinating as the discoveries themselves is the endurance of Voyager 1. Running on dwindling nuclear power, the spacecraft has slowly shut down instruments one by one to conserve energy. Despite this, it continues to transmit valuable data back to Earth, each signal traveling more than 20 hours across billions of kilometers before being captured by NASA's Deep Space Network. That we can still hear this faint voice from such an unimaginable distance is a testament to human engineering and perseverance. Yet there will come a day when its power runs out, and Voyager 1 will fall silent forever. Until then, every piece of information it sends is cherished as though it might be the last. The story of Voyager 1 is not only about science and technology, it is also about perspective. This tiny probe, born of an era before personal computers and smartphones, continues to reshape our understanding of the universe. Whether these 300 mysterious detections prove to be rogue planets, interstellar plasma structures, remnants of ancient stars, or something altogether stranger, Voyager reminds us that exploration is never truly complete. Its journey embodies humanity's drive to seek knowledge, to ask questions, and to keep pushing into the unknown. In the end, Voyager 1 drifts farther and farther from home, carrying with it a record of Earth's existence and the restless curiosity of humankind. Its discoveries may take decades to unravel, but they remind us of a deeper truth. That in searching the cosmos, we are also searching ourselves. Voyager the 1st of May be a small, aging probe lost in the immensity of space, but its faint, persistent voice carries a timeless message. We are explorers, destined to wonder, to question, and to dream of horizons beyond our reach. And as it continues its silent journey into the stars, we can only imagine what other secrets it may reveal before its final whisper fades into eternity.